Hey baby girls, today I'm going to take you through step by step and show you how to perform a freestyle lash lift. For you girlies and boys who have no idea what I'm talking about, it's basically a lash lift but without using any silicone shields or rods for step 1 of the process. So to start off, I'm prepping the lashes using an oil-free cleanser. I'm now going to go in with Inlay Brow and Lash Mousse. This just ensures every little bit of natural oil and makeup is fully free from those lashes. You may be thinking, why and when would I use this freestyle technique? Well, it's great for those clients who already have a supernatural curl to their lashes, and you may struggle to apply the rods and shields. Or even clients with lots of layers of lashes. I know a few of my girls have so many layers to their lashes, and I always get their lashes stuck underneath the rods or shields. And even for those clients with small eyes, you may find it difficult for the shields and rods to fit securely. So although we aren't going to use a shield for this step, I am still going to find the correct shield size which best fits her eyes now, so I'm ready to apply this when it's time. I've gone with Ella Banner's new Hybrid Flex Shield in size medium. So at this point, it's really important to take your time and make sure all the bottom lashes are fully covered, and also make sure you haven't trapped any of the top lashes under the pad. So I'm now using Ella Banner's Eliplex Pro Fusion system for my lash lift today. And all I'm doing is directly applying the product straight onto those lashes, making sure I've covered every single hair and going as close to the root as I can without touching the skin. So although I'm working a little bit slower than I usually would, I have already set my timers and I am just working back over those areas. As soon as the product touches the lashes, that is when your timer needs to go on because the processing time has already started. So this is another super important, in fact, essential thing we need to be doing when we're doing lash lifts. So this is called the flex check or the lash check. And you can see I'm just picking up a strand of lash and I'm just bending it back slightly to see how much flexibility it has. You want your lash to go into a U shape, and that is when you know step 1 is ready to come off. Once I'm happy I've got that U shape, I'm just going to take all the product off using a dry cotton bud. So remember, I had 2 separate times for my lashes today, and this one I'm just checking to see if it's ready to come off. I can see that U shape is now forming, so I'm now ready to take this product off. So this is where the shields are now needed. You can imagine how easy it is to fit the shields as snug to that lash line with those lashes pointing downwards. Okay, so this might be the greatest tool I have ever used in the lash game, especially when using a lash balm, which is the product I'm now using. This is Ella Banner's Lash Balm, and a little goes a long way. You also want to make sure you're working really gently, as the lashes at this stage are very fragile without step 2 in place. This is why I've gone for a balm rather than a glue, as I find the glue dries and can tug a little bit more on the lashes. So now the lashes are all perfectly placed on the shields, we're now going in with Elabana's Eliplex Step 2. And I'm applying this to the roots of the lashes first, making sure I can get as close to that lash line without touching any skin. So once I've applied that product as close to the root as I can, I then move up and apply the product a little bit further up the lashes. Remember, your timer has started the second the product touched the lashes. So my timer has already been on for a few minutes. And then after another few minutes, I'm now going to pull the product even further up just to get to those tips of the lashes. So these are lash lift lockers, and I always use these whenever I'm using any form of balm. Don't look at my non-manicured nails. I do always like to take my glove off to apply these, just because I can get a more precise feel. Sometimes when you've got gloves on, they can slip a little bit. So yeah, I find this is a good tip. I now only have 2 minutes remaining, and I'm now going to bring the product right through to the tips of the lashes. So we're now ready to do another flex check, but this time it's a little bit different. So we're now wanting to see a bounce in the lashes, and we want them to come back super quickly. So I'm now removing all that product with a damp cotton pad, and then we'll prep the lashes ready for tint. So I'm now mixing my tin and I'm applying the smallest drop, almost like a match size drop of Ellie Banner's Eliplex Regen. So what this does is strengthens those bonds, hydrates those lashes and really nourishes all those hairs to make sure they're in beautiful condition. This product is amazing and it's a game changer and I cannot do my treatments without it. I'm applying my tin nice and precise, making sure not to stain any of the lid. Once my 5 minutes is up, I'm going to wash away all that tin using water and cotton pads. And yes, you are allowed to wet the lashes after a lash lift. This does not affect the lashes. The reason people like to say to keep them dry for 24 hours is more to do with the finishing products. For example, lash serums. They like for you to keep that on the lashes for as long as possible to really help nourish and keep the health of the lashes. Just like I'm doing here. So I'm just making sure every lash is fully covered with Ellie Banner's Eliplex Advanced Aftercare Serum. Honestly, this stuff is so beautiful. I use this every day on my lashes. I think it's really important after a lash lift that you're still conditioning the lashes, otherwise you can feel your lashes dry out and just don't feel quite as gorgeous as usual. So aftercare is key. And using my old school Senorita fan, I'm just drying the lashes before I show her for the reveal. And can we just look how amazing this lash lift has come out? They look so uniform, so long, so healthy. Oh my goodness, I have got lash envy. Angel, your lashes are beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you picked up some new tips and tricks. And if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification button so you never miss another upload. And you can also head over and sign up to my members so you can see more exclusive content that you haven't already. See you in the next one. Bye.